Hello, this is CADian. Are you familiar with CADian3D, one of the products provided by CADian? CADian3D is a 3D modeling software that supports bidirectional compatibility with DXF and 3DM files and features an intuitive interface that anyone can use easily. Today, we will learn about the convenient features for using CADian3D. CADian3D offers various convenient features that allow users to model easily and efficiently. First convenient feature. Let's learn about the editing frame. Before explaining, let's draw a box. Select the drawn box with the left mouse button. A light-colored frame appears at the edges of the object. This is a frame that allows you to scale or rotate the object. First, drag the frame created at the endpoint while holding down the left mouse button to see the object scale. Also, drag the semicircular arrow frame at the top center with the left mouse button to rotate the object. There are some points to be aware of when using the editing frame. There is a reference point used when scaling or rotating the object. You can change this reference point. Move the cursor to the scaling frame and click the left mouse button to change the position of the reference point. Please note that you can change the position of the reference point in this way. Second convenient feature. Virtual lines. Virtual lines allow you to create lines virtually when modeling to easily draw objects. First, click the command you want to use and drag while holding down the left mouse button. Move to the desired point and release the left mouse button. The light dotted line at the dragged point is the virtual line. You will see a white pentagon near the virtual line. Right-click on the white pentagon to display the options for the virtual line. Relocate line moves the virtual line to another location. Reorient line rotates the virtual line in the direction the mouse moves. The virtual line can rotate in the direction the mouse moves. Alternatively, you can rotate by entering the desired angle value in rotate line. Division snap divides the virtual line into the number of segments entered. Enter 3 in the division, snap, and click OK. You will see that the virtual line is divided into 3. The last option, Project Next PT, is used to match the height with other objects. Third convenient feature. Coordinate system. The coordinate system at the top center shows the coordinates when executing drawing commands. The coordinate system shows the position of the mouse cursor in XYZ coordinates. You can enter coordinate values here to specify the point where the object is created. First, click the line command in Draw Curve, then enter 1, 1 on the keyboard, and press Enter. Entering 1, 1 sets the start point of the line based on the origin 0, 0. This is using absolute coordinates. Now, add the @ symbol before entering 1, 1 and press Enter. Entering @ symbol 1, 1 sets the endpoint 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 unit on the y-axis from the previously set point. This is using relative coordinates. The box labeled D below shows the distance between the first point and the current point. You can enter a number here to draw an object with the desired dimensions. For example, click line, set the start point at the desired point. Then enter 5 in the D box and click OK to create a line of length 5. Click at the desired position to set the endpoint. The box next to it shows the angle and displays the angle of the line formed between the first point and the current point. Entering an angle value snaps the line automatically to the given angle. For example, after clicking line and setting the start point, enter 45 in the angle box and click OK. This snaps the line to 45 degrees. You can also use both length and angle together, which is called polar coordinates. So far, we've learned some of the convenient features of CADian 3D. In the next video, I will tell you about the rest of the features. If you have any questions about CADian 3D, please contact us via our website, email, or comments. Thanks for watching.